Alright, what is up? What is going on, guys? It's your boy Chumbles, and I'm back, and this time I'm going to show you how to change the Pokemon sprites from your Apple Watch or Android device. Now, a little disclaimer, I couldn't figure out all of the Pokemon, but I think I'm kind of close to figuring that out with another website that I found. So if I do figure that out, there'll be a part 3 of this so that you have every single Pokemon available, including Gigantamax, megas, etc., which is really cool in my opinion. I just haven't been able to find a way to perfect it. So just a little disclaimer, but this method right now shows you how to get them from Gen 1 to I think Gen 6, and it is perfect quality. And if you guys are new and you haven't seen the first video, then make sure to go check that out. That way you can learn how to set up everything. This is going to be the part 2, so this is after everybody's had everything set up, and we're gonna show you how to change those Pokemon into ones that you prefer or would like more. So let's get right into it. Alright, so there are technically three main websites that we're going to be using. All of these will be in the description, as I mentioned. So this is the back sprite page. This actually only goes up to Gen 5, I just double checked, but still I think is good enough, and I enjoyed swapping some Pokemon out. So for the purposes of this video, let's grab ourselves, let's just get Mamoswine. So we're going to click on Mamoswine, then we're going to click on Mamoswine again right here. You're going to see it change colors with the transparency in the background. And then you're going to click it, so you're going to get to this page. And then you are going to grab the URL. So we're going to copy, then we're going to go to the next website, which is easygift.com. And then we are going to paste that link. We want to make sure it's GIF to MP4. Click upload, and then we're going to see it here. Now, an important step that we have to do is click effects, and then we're going to scroll down a little, and then we are going to see change background color. So we're going to click that, transparency background, and then we're going to click on this white, and we're going to click it so that it's all the way white. That way, when we upload this to the phone app, the white background blends in with the other white background. That way there is no issues and it looks perfect. So once that is done, we go apply selected. So it's processing the image. So now we have the image, and then we're going to go over here to the right side, click save. And then we have the image. So here it is. Obviously it's not going to be a GIF right now because it's in my, I don't know, picture file thing. So it's only going to show up as a picture there. But what you're going to do is grab that, send it to yourself by email if you're going to do it on your computer, and then to your phone, which in my opinion is the easiest way to do this. Or you can send it to your own Facebook account and then just save it onto your phone. So once we are done that step, then we'll go to step number like 2 or 3, whatever it is. All right, so we are going to open the app, and then we are going to go to add layer, new layer, which is the video one. And then we're going to click that layer, which says video. Don't mind the black screen. Then we're going to see the GIFs that we downloaded. So I'm going to pick Electivire. I did this before recording just to test it. So now we have it, and you can see it's the entire screen. So we're going to change it to pixel, not automatic frame, because we want to set the frames ourselves. The width we'll put 68, and you can mess with these as you go. The height 64. So this is just an example. We're going to play with it a little. So you can see the Electivire there on the screen now over top of the original. You're going to click under the layer setting. There's a little analog thing that you move it. So we're just pushing it so that it's basically on top of the Nidorino. This is kind of the easiest way that I've done it. And then we're going to look back. It doesn't look that perfect, so I'm going to change the width and I'm going to change the height just so it is a little bit bigger. Because I like to see the Electivire be a little bit bigger. So again, we're just going to go in, change those. And then once you're happy with that, we are going to let that go back. And there you can see it. So what you can do is actually delete the old one. You can go onto the Nidorino one and you can delete it, and I'll show you guys how to do that in the next clip when we do the back sprite. Alright, for the back sprite, you can see Electivire and Gengar there. We're going to do the same thing, add a new layer. We're going to click on the video tab. It is completely black right now. That's just because the layer is huge and there's nothing on it. So we're going to go in. I'm picking Charizard because Charizard's cool and a lot of people like Charizard, so we're putting Charizard in. So we're just clicking the add button, changing it to pixel, and then taking off automatic frame once again, and we're going to change the width and the height so that it matches Gengar or is pretty close, and again, you can finick with it. Change those how you see fit. If depending on the sprite and the Pokemon, I think it could make a little bit of a difference. Like Gengar is pretty filled in and pretty big. He's a chonker, so he fills in more space than Charizard would. So you can see Charizard there, looking good, but you can see Gengar is hopping over the frame, and we'll fix that as I mentioned. We can easily just go in and delete that or hide it if we would like. So right now I'm just kind of messing with the height and the width. So now that I think it looks pretty good, we're gonna go down to the layer, and an easy way to figure out which layer it is you click automatic frame and it'll boost it. So I think I'm gonna show you again. Yeah. So again, click automatic frame. That way you know which frame it's on. It's Massive Gengar. And then we're going to go to the edit, click that same frame, click delete. So now you will see Gengar not hopping around on top of or behind of Charizard. And then we're going to click the upload button. So the same way we did it before, and upload it to our watch. And that, my friends, is how you get any Pokemon from Gen 1 to 5. Again, I will do an updated video if I can figure out a way to get all the other ones, which I think I can. I just want to make sure that I can do it in a way that it's easy for everybody. And once I have that, then I will update you guys. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you enjoyed the video, like the video if it was helpful and you're going to be changing your own Pokemon. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.